Hello, welcome to Oracle Apex Developer Professional Learning Path, creating an Apex application module, creating an application from a file lesson. So far, you learned how to create an Apex application based on existing database tables. Now let's go ahead and learn how to create an application from a file. You'll be amazed to see how a spreadsheet is transformed into a beautiful, responsive web application in just minutes. In this lesson, you learn how to create an Apex application from a file. You learn how to convert a spreadsheet into a beautiful, responsive, secure, and scalable web application using Oracle Apex. Creating an Apex application from a file. To create an Apex application from a file, navigate to your workspace homepage and then click App Builder. Click Create and then select From a File. Now let's watch a quick demo that showcases how to upload a spreadsheet and convert that into an Apex application. The spreadsheet that you use in this demo contains projects and associated tasks data such as project name, task name, start date, end date, status, assigned to, cost, and budget. Once you upload the spreadsheet data, Apex creates an underlying database table on top of which you'll be creating an Apex application. Creating an Apex application from a file. On your workspace homepage, click App Builder and then click Create. Select From a File. The Load Data wizard appears with the Upload a File tab selected. Now you have other option Copy and Paste. You select Upload a File if you want to load data from a CSV, XLSX, XML, text or JSON file. You click Copy and Paste if you want to copy and paste column delimited data. Now clicking this option, you also see that you can select a sample dataset from the Select Sample list. Now in our example, we want to upload a file and then create an Apex application. Notice that you can drag and drop file here or click Choose File to select and upload your file from your folder. Now let's click Choose File and select project_tasks.csv file and then upload the file. On the Load Data page, under Where do you want to load this data, you see Load to New Table or Existing Table. In this example, let's accept the default New Table. You also see Table Owner, and then for table name, let's enter a name, for example, Tasks. Notice that the table names are by default converted into uppercase. Now for primary keys, you have two options. Either you can include sysGUID or select Identity column. Let's accept the default for primary keys as well. And then scroll down a little bit. You now see, please select the columns to load. So let's click Configure. In the Configure dialog, notice the column names and the column types. You can also preview. We haven't made any changes, so let's close this dialog. Now under Settings, notice that the first line contains headers checkbox and the column headers is selected. You can also choose to have a column delimiter, enclosed by, and file encoding settings. You can preview the data and finally click Load Data. Notice that the table Tasks is created with 73 rows. You can now click View Table to view this particular table in SQL Workshop. Alternatively, you can click Create Application button that navigates you to the Create Application wizard. Let's click the Create Application button. In the Create Application wizard, enter a name for the application. Let's enter Tasks App. And then for appearance, let's click Set Appearance icon and then select Redwood Light Theme Style. Accept the default for navigation and then let's click Save Changes. Now if you scroll down, you can see Home page, Dashboard page, Task Search page, Tasks Report, and Calendar have been added by default to the application. Scrolling down a bit, you can see Features, so you can select a checkbox for any of these features, and if you want to select all of these features, click Check All. So let's click Check All, review the settings, and then click Create Application. You can now see the application creation progress. The application is now successfully created, so let's click Run Application. Enter your workspace username and password and then click Sign In. Tasks Application homepage is displayed for you. You can now see Dashboard, Task Search page, Tasks Report, and Calendar. Let's click the left navigation menu and you can see Home, Dashboard, Task Search, Tasks Report, Calendar, and Administration listed over here. Let's click Dashboard. Review the charts in the dashboard. You can see charts displayed for project task name, status, and assigned to. Let's click Task Search. This is a fasted search page. And then let's click Tasks Report, which is an interactive report page. And then let's click Calendar, which is a calendar that displays the project details for you. So you now understood how to upload a spreadsheet and quickly convert that into a fully functional Apex application that can be extended further. In this lesson, you learn how to create an Apex application from a file. This concludes the lesson, App Builder and the Create App Wizard. I'm sure you find that useful. Thank you so much for watching.